Okay. This place is pretty big. Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the Den of Tools, and the bear finally went and did it. Yep, we went to Canada. Now, why did we go to Canada? Well, for you all, of course, and maybe for a little bit of fun on the side, but I've been told for years that Princess Auto was a must-see place, that it was the Harbor Freight of the Great White North. I had to check it out, see it for myself. You know, we live up here in Montana. It's not that far, really. So we decided to pack the whole family in and truck on up there and take a look at it. So we've got a walkthrough. Then I'm going to give you my 2 cents on, is this truly the Harbor Freight of the North? So let's take a look at it. But first, we got to say a huge shout out. Thank you to today's sponsor. That, of course, is Slick Deals. Slick Deals is your online go-to place when it comes to any of the hot deals out there. They've got millions, 12 million subscribers that are actively finding and posting deals. You got to be on there if you want to find the spicy hot deals of the day. And now they're offering a plug-in for your favorite browser. They have it for Chrome. They have it for pretty much all the browsers that are out there. You can find a plugin for it. Of course, Chrome is what I use. And with that, you just add it right in. It plugs in. It's free. And you can find all sorts of stellar deals like this one. This is a sweet deal. Nico, who we talked about just recently over the past year or so, they've been a real up-and-comer. They've got their half-inch drive master impact socket set, 65-piece deep and shallow for $112. Guys and gals, the bear has this set. Nico sent it to me, and I got to tell you, I love it. As a DIY to prosumer grade, even, budget-minded pros, I think, can get away with this set. It's fantastic. Not only does it have laser etching, look at that. We've got no skips. We've got everything you want on this. We've got extensions. We've got it all. Comes in with a ratchet there so if you need it. And we've been using it a ton. In fact, my Cub, we've been fixing up his Jeep to get it roadworthy, doing brakes and all sorts of stuff on there. And we've been using a ton of that. This is all we've been using on that set there. Well, not all, but when it comes to sockets, this has been our go-to. It's a fantastic deal at $112. But anyway, enough about that. Let's jump into it. Let's show you what we saw when I did a walkthrough at Princess Auto. Okay. This place is pretty big. What do we got here? Oh, look. There's a Rhino tote tank. We got the director's chairs. $30. Let's see what we got. Max load. You got all your silicone lubricants. Fast orange. No sale is finalized until you're satisfied. Wow. What do we got here? Diamond plate toolboxes.
Oh, I need one.
I don't know if I need a diamond plate toolbox. Gorilla carts, fans, generators, all sorts of parts. We got more generators. Oh my gosh. Spray proof skunk trap. Guys, they have a spray proof skunk trap. Say that 5 times fast. Let's not be hooligans.
We're not, see?
Yeah, George Foreman griddles. Wheels, look at all the wheels. I don't know what I need that for. Jeff, come here.
Yeah.
Pick up that wheel, just a second. Yeah, pick one up.
This?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. These are heavy. I'm trying not to make them all fall. But holy goodness gracious, that's heavy. You should try to hold that.
My hand for comparison.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Yeah.
They're CO2 pistols.
I know, I want one.
We're not buying
CO2?
BB guns. And owls. They have owls. Oh, look, targets. Huh. This is awesome. Buy a new axle. Look at it. I saw it. Nice. There you go.
I'm serious. You can get fake
Come on.
tattoos.
Come on. Duncan, look at this welding mask.
Oh, that one's sick.
Call 400 or Comfort Solutions, please. Natasha, call 400 or Comfort Solutions.
Oh, here's toolboxes. Boy, this thing is shallow. I can't make this up. That is what it's called. Hey, Doug, see the crow's foot? Crowfoot. Oh, wow. They have a big selection of titanium. Not titanium, Titan.
All the mini ratchets you could want.
Yep. Look at that sucker.
Jeez,
That thing's heavy.
Small ratchets.
Where?
I actually have that one. Look, you can buy individual sockets. That's nice.
See if impacts on that last aisle over there.
Impact sockets.
Yep.
Have you seen power tools?
No.
I haven't seen power tools. That's 1,100 pound, 24 volt Hydra lift cart. All right, well, there you go. Now, I did kind of speak a little too soon when I said that there were no power tools. What I meant there was I couldn't find any cordless power tools. And going back through, you know, all the video stuff, they didn't really kind of put them out there all front and center like you'd see in most stores and such. They do have cordless tools. I did look on their website, and I'm not sure if they have them in store. You guys could probably, I'm sure we've got some Canadian friends in here. By the way, every person I met up in Canada was super nice, super friendly, great people. Met some especially nice people over in Cranbrook, looking forward to hanging out with you guys when we make it up to Vancouver and thereabouts. But that said, this is they do have the Genesis line. Now look, they got the cordless screwdriver. Who doesn't need that? But the Genesis line seems to be their go-to standard for a cordless line of tools. Now Genesis is one of those generic brands that that are out there so that any store could have their own quote-unquote house brand, if you will. They're not high-end by any means. In fact, I would even beg to call them medium. They're definitely not even in the prosumer realm. If you look at the combo here, you got a plastic chuck, basic brush tools. They're not bad tools. But they're not even trying to get to that next level. You got the piggyback charger and kind of stuff. They're what I'd say slightly better than maybe Black & Decker here at this level. And you're looking at $200. Now, it's $200 Canadian, so it's not real money. Okay, I kid. Come on, your money's made out of plastic. Let's talk about that. Anyway, these 78 cents on the dollar there. This comes out to $155 US if you were to buy that. Now, if you compare over to Harbor Freight, which is what we're comparing this to, you can get the Bauer Impact with battery, charger, and bag, and the Bauer Drill with battery, charger, and bag. So you're going to get a higher class of tools here. You got metal checks. It's definitely a better construction than the Genesis. You're going to end up with 2 chargers, and you're going to do it for $25 less. That, so and on top of it, really, when you looked around the store, nothing about the store struck me as Harbor Freight other than the level of the tools or the equipment there. They had a lot of stuff that you would spend a lot more at other stores. What it really kind of struck me as was if you took the Harbor Freight mindset and you combined an AutoZone with a Tractor Supply. Maybe not Tractor Supply, maybe a slightly better, regional, outdoor home tractor farm, small farm kind of equipment store. But that's what it was. It's a combination between the three. It's definitely got a Harbor Freight vibe with more tractor and outdoor kind of equipment, with definitely a lot of automotive. Because, it is Princess Auto after all. So, that kind of stands to reason. But the reality is, at the end of the day, when I want to have one in my backyard, I would be thrilled if Princess Auto was down here in the States. I don't care about the power tools. All the other stuff they have was amazing. They have an aisle you could pretty much build your own trailers with. This thing was fantastic. I love the stuff they have. I liked the hand tools, the individual sockets and stuff like that. They had great choices. They had channel lock. The Bear's a big fan of channel lock stuff. And as far as the other kind of power equipment, there's just stuff you don't see it unless you go to other specialized stores and stuff like that. It was a amazing store. I really liked it. Of course, the people there were, they're Canadians. They're always nice. They're always pleasant to deal with. I wouldn't say it is the Harbor Freight of the North. It's something new, and I would say something uniquely Canadian. And I just wish I could visit more often. Anyway, let me know your 2 cents down below. If you've been to a Princess Auto, what do you think about the Bears, comparison there? Do you think I'm right on? Do you think I'm spot on? Do you think I'm off? Because, as much as I would love to say it is, because they always keep talking about it being the Harbor Freight of the North, it needs more power tools. It needs more shop tools and stuff like that to really be considered, a Harbor Freight kind of solution. But anyway, at the end of the day, I think it stands on its own, and it's an awesome place. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you today. Don't forget to check out our sponsor. That, of course, is Slick Deals. They've got all the deals and everything. You can get your own Chrome or whatever web browser plugin that you want there. Anyway, don't forget to chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on your way out. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.